welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to do a little mini unboxing. I've been shopping for more makeup. I'm going to start exploring new makeup looks. So recently I received Take Me Back to Brazil palette and I created this makeup look. And if you want to see a tutorial on how I do this makeup, comment down below. So the first thing I got was baby shampoo for the baby and some body wash. Also ordered some glitter because I'm gonna start doing some glitter eyeshadow tutorials. So the first thing I ordered from Amazon. So I recently went to Ulta first, but I decided to compare the prices and Amazon was way more cheaper and affordable, and the shipping is fast if you have Prime. Okay, finally I managed to open it up. This is how it looks. It's called Pressed Glitter. Ooh, look at this beautiful glittered colored palette. I'm so excited to use this palette for makeup tutorials. Another thing I ordered from Amazon is a setting spray because the one that I have, I already ran out. So this is the one that I used to have, and as you can see, I already ran out. So I went ahead and ordered a full-size bottle. And you know what? Let's test it out right now. And I love how it smells. It smells really good. It smells like rose water. Okay. Another thing I got was another concealer. This is my favorite concealer, but I think I got it too dark. So I got another concealer. This is the one I'm currently using. As you can see, this one's way lighter. So I'm probably going to order it again. I ordered a micro brow pencil for my eyebrows because the one I ordered last time was way too light. And hopefully this one's going to be dark enough for my eyebrows because I have dark eyebrows. So this is how it looks. Another thing I ordered is a liquid liner from NYX. So this is how it looks. And I placed my order on Friday and today's Saturday, so it was a very fast shipment. I was not expecting it to get here so fast. Another thing I ordered is eyelash glue and eyelash glue because I'm running out of eyelash glue. And another thing I ordered, oh, I forgot about this, NYX Control Free because the one that I have, I already ran out. I don't know if you can see. And I ordered this new foundation that I was recommended by a lot of people. So I wanted to try out myself. And it's the Wet n Wild one. And I got the color Golden Beige. So hopefully the color matches my skin. Right now I'm currently using Milani Neutral. So they sort of look like the same color. And lastly, what I ordered was a small concealer brush so I can cut my crease. So it looks like this. And it's from Wet n Wild. It was only 35 cents. I was like, yes. Ooh, and it looks good quality too. It looks fancy. So this is how it looks. And that is it. If you want to see more YouTube tutorials like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Until next time.